My name is Robert Bosch and I'm the Technical Director of a company called Nano Products Pty Limited. Our company actually started during a result of discoveries that we made during my first year of my doctorate. We actually discovered a method of reducing or eliminating some of the toxic materials in the manufacture of rubber articles. Now, rubber articles, I mean tires, shoes, conveyor belts, all those kind of articles. This discovery actually led us to creating a business, patenting our technologies, and then building upon those patents to create quite a large global portfolio of patents. What our company and business does is it builds these chemicals and sells them to the rubber industry. And these chemicals allow companies that produce rubber articles to do so in a more sustainable, energy efficient, and productive manner. In lieu of that, it's basically the idea that we can, in some applications, allow them to build products in half the time than what they were doing before, at the same costs or similar costings and using the same equipment and factories that they had. This obviously is of great benefit to their industries and also is good for the environment, as we're cutting down on energy consumption, in some cases by up to 50%, to make that rubber article. The business idea actually came about from us trying to find application of what our technology could do. I was actually a rubber researcher doing my doctorate, and we were investigating the ability to try and remove some of the toxic chemicals. To do that though, we had to invent, and that was our first invention, a method of creating one of these chemicals that we were trying to replace. And from learning how it worked, we could then replace that chemical itself with other technologies that we then invented as well. The one thing I can say about it, the application process sometimes does take a little bit of time, but it is very easy to do. It is accessible. You just have to know the right responsible persons in the university or in your business sector, the CDES, etc. to go to. What can young entrepreneurs do? The first is, don't be afraid to ask for help. Go find others in the industry that you're trying to get into. You have a discovery in something, go and ask the people who are doing it. Learn more, find out more, because being a young entrepreneur means you categorically don't know everything.